This 120-inch pop-up projector screen is bananas. VIVIDSTORM VSDSTW120H is wildly underrated. Ever tried setting up your cinema night only to get slapped by a wrinkly screen, dim image, or chaotic setup drama? Yeah, we've all been there. You finally settle in for movie night, snacks in hand, and boom, your old screen flops like a sad pancake. Blurry visuals, awkward mounts, eye strain, and the dreaded projector shadow monsters, sabotaging the whole vibe. Let's not even talk about wrestling with screws and tools just to get the thing up. The vibe dies. Your enthusiasm? Gone. We know how it feels to be stuck with tech that promises magic but delivers migraines. You deserve better than half-baked visuals and janky setups, don't you? Now imagine that chaos multiplied by deadlines, birthday parties, gaming nights, and Netflix fails. It's not just a screen issue, it's ruined memories, missed wow moments, and the creeping stress of setups that eat into your free time. You've spent all this cash on a killer projector, but the screen? It's holding your setup hostage. Eyes strained, energy drained, mood deflated. Sound familiar? Whether it's for immersive gaming or a blockbuster binge, you need something built for the moment, not a duct-taped mess of compromises. Time is precious, and you shouldn't waste it battling tech that's stuck in the Stone Age. Introducing the VIVIDSTORM 120-inch floor-rising projector screen, aka the Rolls-Royce of home theater glow-ups. This bad boy rises from the floor like a cinematic magic trick, no drilling, no drama, no sweat. Compatible with normal throw projectors and ready to roll in under 30 seconds, it brings 4K, 3D, UHD visuals with glass-flat tension like nothing else. Seriously, the screen is smoother than your ex's apology text. Whisper quiet operation. 160 degrees panoramic view. No wrinkles. No hassles. Just pop and play, and slay movie night like a home theater boss. Your living room deserves better. And so do you. With VIVIDSTORM, you're not just getting a screen, you're unlocking next-level simplicity and jaw-dropping quality. No more climbing ladders or drilling walls. No tools. Just plug and press. You'll feel that cinema vibes rush from the first frame. From Sunday shows to wild game nights, your setup adapts with your mood. Plus, it's easy on the eyes, literally, and tough against light. Wanna enjoy 3D magic with the lights on? Go for it. Cleaning? Just wipe it down. Need proof? Thousands of rave reviews back it up. Wanna feel the difference? Smash that link and explore more now. Don't just watch, experience movies, games, and shows in full-blown Ultra HD glory. Don't wait till it's sold out. These motorized beasts move fast, especially with hype heating up. Thousands have already ditched the drill and upgraded to a smarter, sexier cinema setup. You're one click away from transforming your space with a screen that literally rises to the occasion. See what we did there? Limited stock, max comfort, zero hassle. Take the leap. Elevate your screen game. Plug in, pop up, and press play on a whole new level of awesome.